Hello guys, welcome to our factory. We are Fupower, a professional manufacturer in the exhaust system. We provide exhaust pipes, air-tight pipes, and components. We also provide the turbo pipes. If you have any needs, please contact us. This one looks very simple product. Actually, this product includes very complex production procedure. For example, as you can see here is one hole. We need to use the machine to drill holes on the pipes. And this angle, actually, this is a straight pipe. We need to use the manual bending machine to make an angle like this. And here is a flex joint. We need to collect the straight pipe two sides between the to connect the flex joint and the straight pipe. How we connect the flex joint to the straight pipe? We need to assemble the parts first. After assemble the parts, we need to do the support welding. And after support welding, we should do the full welding, TIG welding. And here is we also need to connect the pipe to the bracket. How to we use the welding to connect two parts together. This is our sample room. This part is our titanium pipe cards. We have different kinds of colors for the titanium pipe cards: gold, purple, Polish, and blue. This part is our components of the exhaust system. We have different kinds of components. For example, we have flex pipe, we have waves, and flange, and so on. And we also have different kinds of muffler. Here is our muffler part. Here are our other samples. Normal exhaust tips, teardrop exhaust tips. And here is our stainless steel exhaust system, exhaust pipes. This is our titanium exhaust pipes.